Hey guys, it's Mr. 99 Skills here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a BB gun out of like a pen or PVC pipe, or in this case a highlighter. And the first thing you'll need is a highlighter, dollar supplies, some pliers, a balloon, duct tape, and some BBs, regular BBs or airsoft BBs. So you can set everything aside. Just leave the pliers in your highlighter. Now you should pull off this little thing in the back, which I've already done, and there should be a little ink cartridge in there, or whatever you want to call it. It's like this. Set that aside, and now it should all be hollowed out. And then take off the cap, and there should be a little the marker. Mine's kind of torn off, but you need to take that out too. And if yours tears like that, it's fine, because you'll be cutting this little part off at here anyway, because the BB's not going to be able to fit through that little tube. But set everything aside, and I'll be back after I cut this. Okay, now once you get that tip off, you're going to need your balloon, and just stick it around just like this, and pull it back a little bit more. And then take your duct tape, piece of it, stick it on, and make sure you wrap it really tight so it doesn't come undone or anything like that. And there you go. And just take your BBs, set them inside, and they'll sink down to the bottom of the balloon, and you just pull it and let it go. Now I'm going to go take a test fire.